Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about crystallographic direction. Basically, we're gonna know how to define and understand the crystallographic directions. So let's get into that. So first of all, we determine coordinate of 2 points that lie in the direction of the interest. For example, there are 2 points u1, b1, w1. Let's say u1, b1, w1 here and u2, b2, w2 here. For example, this case 0, 0, 0 is the u1, b1, w1 and 1, 0, 0 is the u2, b2, w2. Then we subtract coordinates of second point from those of first point. Then we get a new point which is u prime, u1 minus u2, b prime, b1 minus b2, w prime, w1 minus w2. Then clear fractions from the difference to given indices in lowest integer values. Okay. Finally, write indices in this bracket. Negative integer values are indicated with a bar or bar over the integer or negative sign in front. So now let's go into detail. So let's see, we have now three directions: direction A, direction B, and direction C. Now let's understand how do we define these directions. For that, for number one, we have 2 points 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0. So now as we defined already, 1, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 is equal to 1, 0, 0. No fractions to clear our integer to reduce. This is the reduced one already. So 1, 0, 0 is the direction. That's a 1, 0, 0. Okay. You move 1 along x, 0 along y and 0 along z. Now second direction, which is direction B, which is this one, 1, 1, 1. So first of all, 2 points 1, 1, 1 and 0, 0, 0. Now 1, 1, 1 minus 0, 0, 0, again 1, 1, 1. No fraction again required. Then final direction is 1, 1, 1. You move 1 along x, 1 along y and 1 along z. Now your arrow should be along the, so you start from the origin and arrow should go into the last point. Okay, again 1, 1, 1. Start from the origin into the end point. That's how arrow should be looking like that. Now look at the direction C. So for direction C, we have again 2 points 0, 0, 1, which is 0, 0, 1 and half 0, half 1, 0, half 1, 0. Now 0, 0, 1 minus half 1, 0 is equal to minus half minus 1, 1. Therefore, we need to require the fraction to be clear to the reduced value. So we multiply this number by 2. That's why 2 here. 2 times this, 2 times this, 2 times this. Basically means 1 minus 2, 2. So minus 1, minus 2 and 2 is the direction, which basically is this one, half 1, 0. So basically you go half along x, which is this one, but parallel of this one is that one. Then 1 along y, 1 along y and 0 along z. Similarly here 0 along x, 0 along y and 1 along z. Then this direction from half 0, 1 to 0, 0, 1 is minus 1, minus 2 and 2 direction. Okay, now let's go in more detail. So here I have a couple of cubes with different planes. So let's start from this again. So 0, 1, 0, x you move 0, y you move along y you move 1 and z 0, which means this is the direction. 0, 1, 0 is the direction that way. Now 0, 1, 1, x 0, y 1 up here and z1 up there, because this g equivalent to this one, which is parallel. That's why your direction will look like you start from origin into the end point. Similarly 1, 1, 1. So you move x1, okay, y1 which is parallel, z1 which is parallel to this g1. Then this is the end point, this is the origin to end point. Arrowhead is this way, that's why this is 111 direction. In principle, these arrows should not be out of the crystal structure, but somehow, even if I don't like, but somehow this is how people are defined, but this is not the right way. Arrow should end right there. Anyways, so now let's look at 0, 2 and 1. X0, okay. Now you take 2 as a as a fraction, 2 as a common, 0 half, uh, 0 1 and half. X0, okay, y1, y1 and z half. From again, I start from 0 to end point, that's the direction. Similarly, -2, 1 2, again 2 common, -1 half, 1 -1. So origin should be shifted. -1 means origin should be shifted by 1, which is, this is my origin now. So x1 now, x -1, which is this one, y half is this one, z1 will be this one, because this whole line will be equivalent or parallel to this one or this one. Therefore your origin now shifted and the final point is this one. That's why your arrow is pointing from this shifted origin to the final point. Finally, -1 1 0. So again origin is shifted here, okay. So x -1, you move x -1, which basically means parallelly x -1, and sorry, x -1 is this line, which basically means this line, and the y1, which is x -1, again y1, and that's your end point. Therefore your arrow pointing from the shifted origin to this one. So that's all for today. So see you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.